Tailstock. Tailstock is an accessory of the lathe machine. Tailstock is used to support long workpieces at their free hanging end. The main parts are the cast iron body, the barrel, the screw spindle and rotating wheel. The body is the part that can be slid on the lathe bedways and mounted at desired place. The body has the through hole in which the barrel finely travels to and fro. The barrel has a long keyway, threaded hole at one end and a tapered hole at the other end. The barrel key is fitted in the body. The feather head of this key guides the to and fro motion of the barrel by getting located in the keyway of the barrel. The screw spindle is assembled with the threaded hole of the barrel. The flange acts as the bearing for the screw spindle. This is screwed to the main body. The hand wheel is keyed to the spindle and locked with washer and nut. The wheel handle is then fitted with the wheel. The barrel is locked by using the quick acting locking handle, which works on the stud fitted to the body. The clamping plate that is used to clamp the tailstock with the lathe bed at the desired location is assembled with the body using bolt and nut. The dead center is fitted into the tapered hole, the barrel on the other end.